So in my previous video, I talked about how to enhance the performance of your phone. And one of the points that I made was application support. So how do you know if this application supports your phone or it doesn't support your phone? You must know the Android version of your phone first. If you don't, go to settings on your phone and scroll down to the last part. Go to about phone, then go to software information. So here you see the Android version of your phone. Mine is Android 12. In Play Store, look for any game you want. For me, I will search for FIFA. Here, go to about this game. Scroll down to the last part. Here you will see the information about the application you're about to download. So here you can see required OS, which is operating system Android 5.0 and up. And this application will support my phone. So this is how you can check if any application supports your phone, either on Play Store or Google Chrome.